In this video, I will explain you properties of electric charges. There are three important properties. One is additivity, next one is quantization, next one is conservation of charge. Now what is additivity? As the name suggests, charges can be added like numbers. Okay, that follows algebraic addition. For example, let's say you have -4 charge in a body. Now if you are adding +2 charge, then this can be added like number to get net charge. What is the net charge? -4 + 2 is -2. But if I am saying that one body is exerted by a force of 5 Newton and 2 Newton, what is the net force? Can I say it as 7 Newton and can I say it as 3 Newton without knowing the direction? So what was the example I have told you? I have a body, it is exerted by 5 Newton and 2 Newton. What is the net force? So if 5 Newton and 2 Newton are exerted in this direction, then it is 5 + 2, 7 Newton. Now if 5 Newton and 2 Newtons are exerted opposite direction, then the net force is 5 Newton minus 2 Newton, 3 Newton. Now if 5 Newton and 2 Newtons are exerted in this way, then that is root of 5 square plus 2 square. So there are different way of getting the answer, but this is called as vector addition. Okay, so it is 5 Newton is a vector here, 2 Newton is a vector here. We need to know the direction, then only we can find the net value. Only numbers will not be enough. Algebraic addition will not work. But here it can be added without the direction. Let's say we have one box, we have added 4 positive, 3 negative, the net charge is 4 minus 3 plus 1. So this will follow algebraic addition. Can be added like numbers. That is the first property. Next one is very important, quantization. Now quantity of a charge on a body is integral multiple of charge of an electron. I have told you charge of an electron is the basic fundamental charge. Let's say we have a body. It has got charged by a value. What is the minimum charge possible? That is charge of an electron. 1 electron can be added. Now what is the next charge possible? That is 1 more electron can be added, 2 electron. Next charge, 3 electron. Next charge, 4 electron. So it will always be an integral multiple of electron. 2 is 2.5 electron possible. That is only possible when we are adding 1 electron and 2 electron and a 0.5 electron. Then 2.5 is possible. 1 plus 1 plus 0.5. 3.75 is possible when we are adding 3 electron and later 0.75 electron. But this is not possible. We can only add charges as fundamental charge. What is fundamental charge? Charge of an electron. So 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4 electron. So this is the case of negative charges. Now in the case of positive charge, that will be 1 E positive, 2 E positive, 3 E positive. So always that will be an integral multiple of E. Okay, so I can say that I will take it as modulus of Q is equal to an integral multiple of, so integer can be represented Z into E. So modulus of Q is nothing but it can be taken for both negative and positive. So that will always be an integer multiple of E. 1E, 2E. So let's say I am drawing a graph. So first charge is from 0, it will immediately go to 1E. Then after 1E, 0.5 E is not possible, 0.75, 1.2 E is not possible. The next charge is 2E. Then from here 3E. Then from here 4E. Then 5E. So these are not continuous process. This will happen step by step. 1E, 2E, 3E, 4E. So in the ZE. Okay, in the integral multiple of E. Definition is quantity of charge on a body is integral multiple of charge of an electron. It is clear now. Next thing is conservation of charge. As we know, conservation of energy, it is defined in the same way. We cannot destroy or create charges. Number of charges in nature is constant. Okay, so here you may get confused. When we are adding a negative charge and a positive charge, net charge has become 0, right? So this was one negative before and one positive before. So this is, we have basically destroyed the charge here, right? But this is not the explanation. Okay, this is not the right explanation here. When we are adding a negative charge and a positive charge on a body, there are the negative and positive in that body. But when we are making the net, we are adding the numbers. So just the net value has become 0. Q is equal to 0. But that doesn't mean that it has no charge. It has equal number of positive and negative charge. Now let's say when I am rubbing, it has got a negative charge. It has got excess electrons. Now when I am not rubbing it, the net charge is 0. That doesn't mean that this has no charge. Whatever the number of negative charge it has, the same number of positive charge it carries. So net charge is equal to 0. Okay, so these three properties are very important and this can be asked for a 3-marker. Additivity explained for 1 mark. It follows algebraic method of addition. Quantization, quantity of a charge of a body will always be an integral multiple of E. Conservation, charges can neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, thank you.